The Sufi Path of Hope Raja, overcoming despair in challenging times. Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. In our contemporary world, the headlines often bring heavy news: global conflicts, economic uncertainties, personal struggles, and environmental concerns. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, to succumb to a pervasive sense of despair or helplessness. But what if there's a profound spiritual antidote, a path to not just survive, but thrive amidst adversity? Today, we embark on the Sufi Path of Hope Raja, overcoming despair in challenging times. We'll explore how Sufism illuminates hope not as passive optimism, but as an active, powerful spiritual state deeply rooted in our trust in Allah, that can transform even the darkest moments into opportunities for profound growth and unwavering inner peace. Prepare to rekindle the light of hope within your heart. Part 1. The modern landscape of despair, its causes and impact. The feeling of despair, or a deep hopelessness, is a significant challenge in today's society, impacting individuals and communities alike. Overwhelm of information, constant exposure to negative news, and global crises can create a sense of powerlessness, making us feel that problems are too vast to solve. Loss of control. When faced with situations beyond our immediate control, like economic downturns, health crises, or geopolitical instability, it's easy to lose heart and feel that our efforts don't matter. Comparison culture. Social media often presents curated, perfect lives, leading to feelings of inadequacy and despair over one's own perceived shortcomings or lack of success. Spiritual isolation. A disconnection from a deeper spiritual purpose can leave us feeling adrift, without an anchor in times of storm. When we lose sight of the divine presence, despair can take root easily. The ego's role. Our ego nafs often demands immediate solutions and comfort. When these are not met, it can quickly fall into a state of impatience and then despair, magnifying difficulties. Part 2. Understanding Raja Hope and Sufism, an active spiritual state in Sufism. Raja is far more than just wishing for things to get better. It's a dynamic, conscious spiritual state, integral to the believer's journey. Balance with Khawf, fear, awe. Sufism emphasizes balancing Raja hope in Allah's mercy, with Khawf, awe, and reverent fear of His justice and majesty. Both are like the two wings of a bird, allowing the seeker to fly towards Allah. Too much hope without fear can lead to complacency, while too much fear without hope can lead to despair. Hope is action. True hope isn't passive waiting. It's accompanied by sincere effort. Sigh. It means doing everything in your power and then entrusting the outcome to Allah, knowing His wisdom is supreme. It fuels perseverance and resilience. Rooted in divine attributes, Raja stems from a profound understanding of Allah's names, especially Ar-Rahman, the most merciful, Ar-Rahim, the especially merciful, Al-Ghaffar, the all-forgiving, and Al-Wadud, the most loving. Knowing these names ensures that hope is always grounded in the certainty of divine compassion. Hope in Allah's promise. The Quran repeatedly assures believers of Allah's help and ease after hardship. Indeed, with hardship will be ease. Quran 94-5. Raja is holding on to these divine promises with unwavering conviction. Part 3. Cultivating Raja, practical Sufi practices to ignite hope. How do we actively cultivate this powerful state of Raja in our lives, especially when darkness seems to loom? Dhikr, remembrance of Allah, consistent remembrance of Allah, especially reciting the names related to His mercy and grace. This shifts focus from personal weakness to divine omnipotence and compassion. For example, La halawa, la quwwata, illa billah is a powerful antidote to feelings of helplessness. Do a supplication with certainty, turning to Allah in sincere prayer, asking for His help and relief with absolute conviction that He hears and will respond in the best way. Dua is the weapon of the believer and a direct manifestation of hope. Tawakkul, reliance on Allah. After exhausting all permissible means, surrendering the outcome entirely to Allah. This releases the burden of control and replaces anxiety with peace. It's the ultimate expression of hope in His perfect management of affairs. Tafakkar, contemplation of divine mercy and past blessings. reflecting on Allah's countless blessings in your life, even amidst trials. Remembering how Allah has always provided and guided you in the past strengthens your trust for the future. Contemplating His vast mercy fosters optimism. Study the lives of prophets and saints. Learning how figures like Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam or Prophet Ayyuba alayhi salam endured immense hardship with unwavering hope and ultimately found relief and triumph. Their stories are living blueprints for Raja, acts of service and gratitude shook. When you engage in acts of kindness and express gratitude, you shift your focus outward and upward, breaking the cycle of self-pity and despair. Gratitude is a magnet for blessings and hope. Part 4. The Fruits of Raja. Transforming adversity into ascent. Embracing the Sufi Path of Raja fundamentally transforms how we experience life, even amidst adversity. Inner peace and steadfastness, sakina and sabr. Hope fills the heart with tranquility, allowing you to face challenges with sabr, patience, and resilience, knowing that Allah is with you. Resilience and perseverance. Raja fuels your ability to keep striving, to never give up, even when results are not immediately apparent. It transforms setbacks into stepping stones. Opening to divine grace Baraka. A heart filled with hope is open to receiving Allah's grace and blessings Baraka. It attracts positive solutions and opportunities that might be invisible to a despairing mind. Deeper connection to Allah. Practicing Raja strengthens your faith and deepens your relationship with the divine. As you experience Allah's compassion and power firsthand in moments of need, from despair to ascent, what might have been a cause for despair becomes an opportunity for spiritual elevation. You see the hikmah in trials, source of light for others. A person filled with genuine hope becomes a source of inspiration and comfort for those around them, emanating positive energy even in difficult times. Conclusion: the inexhaustible wellspring of hope. In a world that constantly presents reasons for despair, the Sufi Path of Raja offers an inexhaustible wellspring of hope. It reminds us that our strength does not come from our own limited capacities, but from the infinite power and boundless mercy of Allah. By actively cultivating Raja through Dhikr, dua, Tawakkul, and gratitude, we transform our inner landscape, making our hearts resilient fortresses against hopelessness. We realize that every challenge is an invitation to deepen our reliance on the divine, leading us to a profound, unwavering peace that transcends all worldly circumstances. This is truly the essence of Sufi essence. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the Sufi art of hope. If this lecture illuminated your heart, please like this video to help share this vital message. Subscribe to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed for more profound insights, and remember to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. What spiritual practices help you cultivate hope in challenging times? Share your wisdom in the comments below. Your insights empower our community. Until our next spiritual unveiling, may Allah always fill our hearts with His boundless hope and mercy.